Imagine waking up one day and realizing that all your cherished files, your hard work, your important documents are suddenly gone. You feel a sense of panic and desperation. What if I tell you the solution to this problem is within your reach? That solution lies within the power of computer storage devices. In this video, I will take you on a journey to explore the different types of storage devices and their importance in our digital lives. Let's start with the basics. Every computer needs storage to hold data and software. The two main types of storage devices are hard disk drives, HDDs, and solid-state drives, SSDs. HDDs use spinning disks to store data, while SSDs use flash memory chips. SSDs are faster and more reliable than HDDs, but they are also more expensive than HDDs. Another type of storage device is a USB flash drive, also known as a thumb drive or memory stick. It is a small, portable device that can store large amounts of data and can be plugged into any computer with a USB port. Flash drives are ideal for transferring files between computers or backing up important data. Cloud storage is another type of storage that has gained popularity in recent years. It allows you to access your files remotely on a servers maintained by third-party providers and access it from any device with an internet connection. Cloud storage is convenient, but it does have a privacy and security concerns that it needs to be aware of. In addition to these types of storage devices, there are also external storage devices. External hard drive, network-attached storage, NAS devices, and optical storage devices such as CDs and DVDs. Each type of storage devices has its own strengths and its weaknesses, and the best choice for you depends on your specific niche and preference. In conclusion, computer storage devices are essential for our digital lives. It allows us to store, access, and protect our data and files. As technology advances, we have more and more options for storage devices, and it is always important to choose the right storage devices for our needs. Whether you are a student or just someone who values their digital life, investing in a reliable storage devices is a smarter choice. Remember, with the power of computer storage devices, you can always store your important data, documents, and files safe and secured. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed, then make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel right now for more amazing videos on the world of technology. Peace.